Stop throwing away your pineapple peels. You're wasting the best part. Let me show you how to turn them into a bold, refreshing pineapple hibiscus tea that tastes better than soda. Let's start by cleaning the pineapples. I'll be using this fruit and veggie wash, about 1 tablespoon, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also use the vinegar on its own or swap it out for baking soda if that's what you have. Either works perfectly. Fill the basin with water, then add the pineapples. I'm going to soak them for about 10 minutes to let the dirt, wax, and residue loosen up. I want them thoroughly clean because we're using the peels for the tea, so this step is not optional. After 10 minutes, go in and wash the pineapples. I'm using my hands, but you can use a soft brush or cloth to really get into the grooves and remove any bits of dirt and debris. Drain the water. You can see all the dirt that comes off. That's exactly why we don't skip this step. Now rinse the pineapples thoroughly under running water until all the wash and vinegar are completely removed. You don't want any of that left on the pineapples. Place them on a cutting board and pat down any excess water with a paper towel. A dry surface makes peeling so much easier and safer. Now let's peel the pineapples. The skin is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and bromelain, the powerful enzyme that reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and boosts the immune system. Their natural fruit sugars are going to give the tea a deep, fruity flavor. I'll also be keeping the inner core for the tea. It's actually the most concentrated source of bromelain in the entire pineapple. For the pineapple flesh, I'll be cutting them into bite-sized pieces, placing them in an airtight jar, and store them in the fridge ready to add to my fruit balls, oatmeal, or granola balls throughout the week. Nothing goes to waste here. Now, I personally don't like the green crown part, so I'm cutting it out. It's tough, slightly bitter, and it's not something we want steeping in our tea. If you find that some of the peel pieces are large, go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces so they fit nicely into the pot. It doesn't affect the flavor, it just makes it easier to work with. Add all the pineapple peels and the core into a deep pot. Next, I'm adding about 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers for that bold color and tangy and refreshing flavor to balance the sweetness of the pineapple. A few cinnamon sticks for a warming, naturally anti-inflammatory and cozy flavor. And some cardamom pods for that rich, slightly citrusy spice that is great for digestion. Now let's head to the stove top. Fill the pot with water. This is about 2 liters, but you can use as much as you want depending on how strong or light you want your tea to be. I almost forgot the ginger. I'm adding a few fresh slices for a bit of heat and depth and its anti-inflammatory properties. Mix everything together and bring it to a boil. It smells so good already with the tropical sweetness of the pineapple, the tartness from the hibiscus, and the warmth from the spices. Once it hits a boil, reduce the heat. Cover and let it simmer on medium-low for 10 to 15 minutes until the flavors are fully infused and the color deepens into a rich, bold crimson red. It looks so beautiful. To sweeten, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw honey, which adds a gentle floral sweetness that blends seamlessly with the tea. Of course, you can use whichever sweetener you like or none at all. It's totally up to you. Mix until it's fully dissolved, then taste and adjust the sweetness to exactly where you want it. Now cover the pot and let it steep for a few hours until it's completely cooled, or overnight if you have the time. The longer it steeps, the deeper the color gets and the more intense and rounded the flavors become. Now let's sieve. Pour the tea through a fine mesh strainer. This zero waste herbal tea is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich, naturally sweetened, and will support your immune system, digestion, and heart health, all in one gorgeous glass. Serve it over ice and enjoy this refreshing, vibrant, and perfectly spiced pineapple hibiscus tea that turns something most people throw away into a tea way more interesting than store-bought juice.